Creating a load balance channel. Let me guide you through how to open services in a private network VPC as APIs. If your backend service is in a VPC, you need to create a load balance channel. Currently, 3 types are supported: server, microservice, and reference load balance channel. With the server type channel, your API requests will be distributed to elastic cloud servers or specific server IPs. You need to deploy the servers before creating the load channel. With the microservice type channel, the API requests will be distributed to the microservice IP addresses. You need to deploy CCE workloads before creating the channel. With the reference type channel, you can use an already created load channel. Before you start, ensure that the backend service has been deployed and an APIG gateway has been created. Creating load balance channels involves the following steps. 1. Create 3 types of load balance channels. 2. Create 3 APIs with simple authentication. 3. Debug APIs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Create 3 types of load balance channels. Server load balance channel. Go to the load balance channels page of the created gateway. Click Create Load Balance Channel. In the Basic Information area, enter the channel name and port number. The port number is the port number of the backend service. The default channel type is server. In the server configuration area, select the default mode, specify IP addresses. Click Create Server Group, enter the server group name, and set the weight. Click OK. Then, click Add Backend Server Address, enter the IP address and access port number of the backend server, and click Finish. Microservice Load Balance Channel. Go to the Load Balance Channels page of the created gateway. Click Create Load Balance Channel. In the Basic Information area, enter the channel name and port number. The port number is the port number of the backend service. Set type to microservice. In the microservice configuration area, select the default CCE type. Select the cluster, namespace, workload type, service label key, and service label value based on the deployed CCE workload. After the service label key is selected, the server group name and tag are automatically matched. The default weight is 1. The larger the weight, the more requests can be forwarded to the servers in the group. The backend service port number is synchronized with the load balance channel port. Click Finish. The microservice load balance channel is created. If the CCE load balance and APIG gateway are connected through the same VPC or VPC peering connection, you need to add a route. Go to the Gateway Details page. Click Change in the root area, add the container CIDR block of the CCE cluster, and click Save. If the IP address of a CCE workload instance is changed, the backend server address of the load balance channel changes accordingly. For example, if you delete an instance from a CCE workload, the backend server address is deleted accordingly. Reference Load Balance Channel. Go to the Load Balance Channels page of the created gateway. Click Create Load Balance Channel. In the Basic Information area, enter the channel name and port number. The port number is the port number of the backend service. Set type to Reference Load Balance Channel. In the Server Group configuration area, click Add Server Group, enter the server group name and weight, and select the created Server Load Balance Channel. Click Finish. The load balance channel is referenced. Step 2. Create APIs. Go to the APIs page, click Create API, and select Create API from the drop-down list. In the front-end definition area, enter the API name, select the group to which the API belongs, and enter the request URL. In the Security Configuration area, select the App Authentication mode. Click Next. In the Backend Configuration area, select the HTTP and HTTPS backend type, select the created server load balance channel, enter the backend request path, and click Finish. Repeat the API creation steps to create APIs with microservice and reference load balance channels. Step 3. Debug APIs. On the APIs page, click Debug after confirming that the request is correct. If the status code 200 is displayed in the response result, the debugging is successful. Repeat the debugging steps to debug the remaining 2 APIs.